Want to know what happened to your friends list on Twitch? Spoiler alert, it's gone. Let's talk about that. Hey guys, before we get started, my name is Chase and I make streamer support videos. I also stream on twitch.tv/ChaseBeyond. Feel free to hit me up with any questions you may have about streaming, whether I'm live, in the comments below, or in my DMs, and I will do my best to give you a solution. One more thing, I am also the creator of the Stream Notes brand. Check out our website at streamnotes.gg to find out how you can improve your midstream note-taking game. So, what happened to the friends list feature on Twitch? Well, Twitch officially closed the feature across the platform. It is no longer available. You now have no friends. JK, I'll show you how you can do an alternative to the friends list feature towards the end of the video. So what was the friends list feature for? Well, on Twitch, the friends list feature allowed you to add friends to a list, like you might expect from any friends list. It also allowed those friends to see who you were watching and vice versa if you had that particular feature enabled. And that's about it. Frankly, the feature in the overall grand scheme of things really didn't do a lot. But why would Twitch need to get rid of the feature? To put it simply, Twitch's main reasoning was that the friends list feature wasn't really utilized much at all by users. Some would argue that it would aid discoverability for a streamer by allowing others to see who their friends were watching, and if their friends were watching you, it would aid that connection of bringing new viewers into your stream. Well, Twitch stated that it wasn't utilized much anyway, so any kind of benefit that there might have been was kind of negligible because it just wasn't happening. But still, why not just leave the feature as it is? Don't touch it. If it's helping a little bit, surely just leave it, right? Well, here's 3 reasons why they might have canned it. Number 1, Twitch is a constantly evolving platform and is in a mode of pruning the less popular features such as friends and total view count. Basically, if there's little value in a feature, Twitch prunes it to trim the excess. Trimming excess makes the platform more easier to navigate and less overwhelming. Number 2, another reason that the devs might have pruned friends list is to cut down on instances of viewer/follower bots and targeted hate raids. Bots and users have actually been known to take advantage of the friends list feature to rally harmful raids into a user's channel. Taking away that system makes it actually more difficult to perform a toxic operation such as that. And number 3, from Twitch's statement, by deprecating this feature, we are able to further focus on building connections among communities while streamers are live. Now, to me, that definitely sounds like better options may be coming in the future for the platform in regards to networking. They may reformat friends list into something much better, but only time will tell. So, with the friends list feature gone, what can you do in place of it if you were using it before? On site, your best bet is to drop your friends a follow. That way you can see what they're up to whenever they're live. You can even drop them a raid, a host, or even the almighty auto host to show your appreciation. Now, off-site, you can drop a friend request or join one of their servers on Discord. Follow their other social medias if listed below in their bio or under their stream. All of this offers much better interaction and provision for networking than Twitch friends list ever did. One more tip before we get out of here. If you have in your settings to block whispers from strangers on Twitch, you will not be able to receive whispers from your friends that were on your previous friends list. To fix this, you will have to follow their channel page to receive whispers. So make sure to drop your friends a follow if you want to communicate through Twitch DMs. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Again, feel free to check us out on twitch.tv/ChaseBeyond. We stream there all the time. And of course, hit that like, hit that subscribe, tick that bell. Love you guys. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I like that. That's a little creepy, man. I don't know how I feel about this.
Hold on, let's see what happens whenever I stop. Look, you.
Yeah, don't let him on the ship.